Now this illustration highlights the arc fault circuit interrupter protection in accordance with 210.12A1 and A2 as in Apple. Reviewing the very top, notice that this section and the 2011 NEC was 210.12A was the section that dealt with this. And notice we could take a type NMC cable and run it, or say we could take an AC cable or MC cable, either one, and we could use a combination circuit breaker in the panel board that we just talked about, route it to the receptacles that you see and protect those using that combination circuit breaker that has short circuit, ground fault, overload, and AFCI characteristics. And it's method one, it says, listed combination arc fault circuit interrupter installed to provide protection of the entire circuit. Now we could drop below, and note 2 says, a listed branch circuit type AFCI installed at the origin of the branch circuit in combination with a listed outlet branch circuit type AFCI installed at the first outlet box on the branch circuit, first outlet marked to verify that it is the first outlet. Then notice again we could route the cable unbroken to that first outlet, which states outlet branch circuit OBD type AFCI device. Outlet should be marked to verify it is the first outlet. This rule appeared in the 2014 edition of the NEC. So this figure 10-52A is just simply showing the arc fault circuit interrupter protection in accordance with 210.12A1 and A2. Now, based upon which edition of the code allowed such an installation. Now we'll move to the next illustration and look at those techniques and methods.